Hi, it's me again, Christian from ancoreSoft, on how to manage recipients on ancoreShare server. As always, log on to our ancoreShare management console and let me explain you a little bit about recipients and recipient groups and how they work compared to our users. A user is someone who is controlling the management console, who is creating jobs, sources, designing reports, etc. So it does not receive any reports. A recipient, on the other hand, will receive reports on different channels like via FTP, email, and so on, and also uh, has his own database. So he can log on to the system and has his own view where he sees only reports provided for him. We will see it in a few seconds. At first, let's create some recipient groups. Create a new group and call that sales. Okay, save. And then we go to recipient and we create a new recipient, Robert at vispi.net. Robert. And as soon as I'm going to save it the first time, Robert will receive automatically an email containing the information that he has been added to the system and a username and a password so he can log on to our system as well. That happens only if you have a notification enabled as we have it here. Let's see. We load our mails and there is our welcome message for Robert. And he's also able to log on to the system using his email address and his password. So I'm going to open another session to management, but instead using the admin user, I'm going to use his email address and also the password. And there we go. He has his own, let's call it kiosk or um, report center where he sees all his exports and he can create his own folder structure and he will see all the reports we sent to him. Let's go back and create one report export and send it directly to Robert. So we go to our design report and that is only for tests. This is a test scenario. It's not meant to be in a production scenario. So we go to sales report, design, switch to PNG, and we start creating a new report, export, containing everything as PNG. And then as soon as it's done, we can just check, okay, works perfectly. And now we are able to go to show publishing, select recipient, and there is our robot. Give it information, a title, but most important, we can use publish to exports. When we do so, and Robert is online, you will see automatically the new report. You can download it, save it, rename it if he wants to, but he will see his own one. Even it's possible that he create a new folder and drag and drop his important reports there. And if Robert was not active while we added this new report, he will get an email and notify him about the information that he has a new report published in his kiosk. Okay, let's go back to the recipients. So that was the first stage. Add a new recipient manually, as I did. You're able to conclude the information with additional fields like nicknames, address information, even custom fields can be used. That is most important when we're going to select information special for Robert so that you say only, let's say, documents where the company is in Western or in Central Europe, so that can be used as a filter later on when we are going to use jobs. Okay, so let's add another recipient, but we don't want to add it manually, but automatically. And there is the import way. Click on import, and we are going to use a Excel template. So just get to click on get template. And when we open it, we see it is automatically containing some pre-set information like the John Doe, the name, the email address, and salutation, a nickname, and so on and so on. Okay, you can enter your information also there. I'm going to close it again. Now I'm going to click select Excel file, select this recipient XLSX, open, and click on import. Yes, and in the same time, it's automatically added to our database. So this file can also be used to update, to delete, and to add new recipients to the system. Finally, there is also the possibility to use our API. It's an REST API, which comes automatically with ancoreShare server, where you can also add new recipients using the API. But it is not concluded, not a part of this session today. Okay, that was how to manage recipients in ancoreShare server. Bye bye.